Man, this guy really likes to use his vapors. That's for sure. I never seen anything like that before. Well, that's his wash. Now he's going to have for the dryers. He got a quick wash for $8.99. Does he have... Why is he not going? He ain't going for the dryers. He's just sitting there doing nothing. Maybe he's confused about the thrust per dryer being down right now. Because this thing's usually scare people. His headlights turned off. Did he shut his car off? Now he's going through it. Really fast. Holy jeez. Well, I guess that will be a quick outside view of this Ryko radius system at the Esso Circle K gas station located on Mulock Drive in Newmarket. So yeah, I'll probably be going back there in the future to do an inside view and get the lock tray wash before we replace it in the future. So yeah, I don't understand why he did that, like use his vapors and then dry through the dryers really quickly. So yeah. Anyways, I want to say thank you so much for watching as always. Hope you enjoyed this video, and that will be it.